Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to this new live streaming on YouTube. So, for the past couple of days, I've been teaching you guys how to use the market states and what I call the magic four strategy to trade binary options. Keep in mind, the strategy works for Forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, anything that has a chart. This strategy is extremely powerful. Now, before we dive into the whiteboard to explain the basics of the strategy and come back to the charts, backtest, and trade live together, let me please ask you for a small favor to subscribe, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to use the comments box or the live chat, and we'll do our best to answer you as soon as possible. That out of the way, let's move to our whiteboard. Oops, hold on. To explain this beautiful, effective, and extremely powerful strategy. Why is it quirky? Cancel. Come on. Let me sign out and sign in again. No problem. Okay, so first let's set up the chart at the meantime. First, you need a 2 minutes chart candles, and you need only two indicators, two moving averages. Click on it twice. Once you do so, go to the pen and adjust the period at 200 for the first moving average. Color as you like. I like to make the lines thick. The second moving average is at 20. Period moving average, simple moving average, SMA, as always. Blue, 2 pixels, and click Save. So now we have the chart all set up. Let me see what's wrong here. Come on. Let me go back 1 point. Okay. So you have your chart set up. Let's continue. So the expiry time of the trade will be 4 minutes. Trade amount is, the best way to do it is 1 to 3% of your capital. Since we will be trading on the tournament, I will go for 10. No problem in this case. I guess now it's fine over here. So that's it. Let me add a few pairs. Okay. Few live pairs as well. Maybe we can find some nice situations to trade from. Okay. Market states plus magic 4. That's it. Open. This is something. What's happening with this today? All right. No problem. So let's begin by I'll explain it on the charts today. I will not use the whiteboard. For some reason, it isn't giving me a chance. So again, thank you for joining our live stream. If you are watching us on the replay through YouTube, do not hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, please use the comments box or the live chat. That being said, let's start by explaining the strategy. The strategy is what I call the magic four. So let me find a pair that has a clean and clear situation. Okay, this is one of them. So the market, guys, moves in four states and four states only. The market either is in a narrow state, moving sideways, and from this point, it has only two things to do, easier to go things to do. Our job is to locate this narrow state in the market and wait for a strong candlestick pattern. We'll talk about these to form out of this narrow state. So we take a buy or a sell depending on the situation. So let me show you something on the chart here. This is your narrow state. See, you have your 200 moving average, the pink and the blue, very close together. So you draw the higher highs and the higher lows in the situation. You have your narrow state over here, and you wait for a strong bullish. Also, a note over here, if the price is moving sideways above the 200 and the 20, you are looking for buys. If the price is moving sideways or in a narrow state below the 200 and the 20, you are looking for sells. And this situation is clearly moving above the 200 and the 20 simple moving average. So we wait for a strong bullish candlestick to give us our entry, which in this case, let me show you. Let me zoom in a little bit on this. This is your entry. Boom, over here. 4 or 6 minutes trades, you have your win. If you are a forex trader, that's your cash machine to the upside. Beautiful, right? So how do you do it? When you see this situation on your chart, you go to your drawing tools, you get yourself a rectangle, and you mark your swing high and swing low like this. Very easy. You can do 10 to 15 trades to your left side, so no problem. As long as you have a clear swing high and swing low and a clear sideways, narrow state situation. So as you can see from this beautiful setup, you had your breakout, the strong bullish engulfing pattern. I call this the elephant or lion bar. Boom, that's your entry. Okay, and you see your push, very strong push to the upside. Okay, this is what I call the magic four. The magic four strategy is your swing high and swing low over here, and your 200 period moving average and your 20 simple moving average within your box, your four, your rectangle, which contains all the four indicators that we need. And then you should wait for a clear and strong, in this case, bullish engulfing patterns. I'll show you three. Let's learn three. The first one is like this baby over here. You need to see a strong, sizable bar, green bar in this case, moving above. No problem if it has a small wick from the bottom or from the top, no issues. So, like in this case, see that? Beautiful. And this bar has to be, in theory, bigger than any other bar you see to the left side. So look at the size of this bar over here. It's bigger than anything you see in your rectangle. Okay. The second candlestick pattern is a pin bar that has a long wick and a small body at the top. Very long wick and a small body at the top. It could be green or it could be red as well, no problem. Both cases are valid. So these are, it should close also, this one should close above your swing high, above your magic four. You take a buy trade to the upside, right? For a sell situation, let me find a sell situation on the chart. See, beautiful. That's it. You take your rectangle. Today I was struggling to find decent setups in our VIP group trading room. So this is it. Let me make it visually appealing more. All right. So in this case, you need a strong, let's use red. You need a strong, bullish, bearish bar, right? So you have your magic four. This is your 200 moving average. That's your 200. That's your 20 narrow state. The, di- the difference in distance between the 200 and the 20 should be tight, relatively close. Once you have this, you mark your 10, your last 10 to 12 candles over here. Okay. And once you see a strong bearish bar moving out of your magic four, boom, you enter a trade, 4 or 6 minute trade, you have a win. Okay. Very easy, very simple. As you can see, the market, keep in mind always that the market moves in a cycle from narrow to wide. So let me show you this. This is a narrow state, wide state. Your 20 moving average is far away from the 200. This is your trending state. Okay, let's see something, another example. Here you have your narrow state, your 20 and 200 very close, boom, wide state. As you can see, you have a decent distance, very trending market. So you have your 20 moving average floating away from the 200. Let's look for other examples on the chart. Let's find a different pair. Look at this beautiful case over here. You have your magic four, boom, over here, 6 minutes, you have a winning trade. So the market, in this case, was in a narrow state, boom, to a wide state. All right, let's find another example. When you see this, avoid trading. Look for something moving smoothly in and out of the state. Like, for example, beautiful case. This is a relatively nice situation, relatively close, relatively narrow state. I prefer the 20 line to be somewhere over here. However, when you see such Sideways situation, you marker 4, you have your candle out, boom, over here, 4, 6 minutes. Forex trader, that's your fly position, flying to the upside. Okay, let's look for another situation. Look at this beauty. I mean, come on, guys. That's the ideal situation you should look for. Here you go. You have your narrow state. You have a strong, bullish, engulfing bar. Boom, over here. 4, 6 minutes trade, win. Forex trader, that's your push to the upside. And this is your wide state. Narrow, wide. Told you, moves in a cycle. And here it goes, coming back to a relatively narrow state and back up to a wide state. Back to a narrow state, all the way back to a wide state. Easy, isn't it? So now let's jump in and start trading. Let me show you more trades today. Let's hope we can find some decent setups. See this? Beautiful. Narrow state. This is your narrow state over here. And you got yourself your beautiful. Come on, guys. Boom, over here. 4 minutes you would have lost. One, two, three. This is a losing trade, unfortunately. Look at this. It's a shame. Ideal situation. However, if you are a forex, stocks, crypto trader, look at this push. I mean, for God's sakes, guys. You take your trade here, forex or crypto or stocks, anything. You take your trade over here. Your stop loss is 1 bar. This is your stop loss. Okay, let's say you got yourself in on $100. If you have a $10,000 account, you go in 1%, $100, and come on, look at this fantastic trade. I mean, that's a 1 to, come on, 10, 1 to 10 risk reward. So you made yourself a $1,000 here. I mean, isn't it fantastic? So if you keep your losses to 1 and your wins to 2, okay, sometimes you win 4, you lose 1, you win 2, you lose 1, you win 4, you lose 1, you win 10, like in this case. That's fantastic. Let's look for a setup to trade. Let me see. This is a little bit shaky. I'll take it to the upside since the price is moving above the 220. However, I'll take the trade if it gives me powerful surge to the upside. Set an alarm over here. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna move our way. Okay, you have to be patient. Trust me, guys, patience and discipline. If you if you come to the market thinking that you can just come in and trade recklessly without any plan, without any system in place, without any specific rules, and make money, I'm telling you, you are delusional. Okay? You need to have a proper setup in place, proper situations to look for. You need you need some training. Education is not enough. You can easily educate yourself, thousands of YouTube videos. Good luck with that. You need training along the way. I might take a sell on this. I might take a sell since it's breaking from the downside and breaking below the 200 EMA. However, I need a stronger push. This isn't enough for me to go for it. All right. So training is different than education. You need someone to look over your shoulder, trade with you, hold your hand, and you know detect your flaws, tell you you are making this right, you are making this wrong, and this is something we provide. This is a service we provide. We can train you to trade binary options, stocks, and forex. Let's look for a different situation. This is a trending market. Okay, this is quite nice. I took one in my life. I sent USD Argentinian thing signal. We lost it. However, I'll take this one. I'll put this one also. I'll take it to the downside. What did I do? Save. Where's the thing? Come on. Hello? Wait. Okay. Here it is, over here. You have your magic four. See this powerful elephant bar here? That's an indication that the market makers want to sell most probably. So let's adjust this. I'll set an alarm here. Okay, let's find something else. So here I'm teaching you how to spot your setups, how to spot the narrow state. I usually prefer to trade, to see a flat-ish 200, right? It should be ideal if you see a flat, somewhat flat 200. However, this is pushing nicely to the downside. You have supply zone over here and here as well. So I'll mark this as well as a potential sell trade. Your magic four has always should include your indicators along with the swing high and swing low of your pair. I'll set an alarm over here in case we get a nice drop. I'll also push it to the future. Let's see something else. This is live trading, guys. No, nothing is cut. No gimmicks. So I think you won't find anyone else who trades binary options or forex or anything trading live in front of everyone. They only show you the winning trades, they hide the losing trades. I have no issues showing losing trades. It's part of the game. If you can't accept it and lick your wounds and come back, it's your issue, not mine. Okay, let me see if I can add a few more trades over here, pairs, I mean. Right, let me see if we have something in the commodities. Somewhat low payouts, however, I'll add them, no problem. This is nice for a trade to the upside on WTI crude oil. Let me draw this thing quick. It's moving. Come on, why is it stuck? It's moving. I need my. Okay. Remember, we need a strong close. I'll set an alarm over here. So, this is how you identify your potential trade setup. You look for the 200 moving average. You look for the 20. The 20 is very close to the 200. You have a sideways narrow state. Okay. In this case, I'm looking for a buy. Why? Because the overall trend is to the upside. See this push over here, and the price is moving above the 200 moving average and slightly above the 20. So we will wait. I'll set an alarm over here. We'll wait a strong surge. We need a candle to surge powerfully out of this zone to take a 4 or 6 minutes buy position. So we have our alarm in place. I'll wait for this one. This is the identical situation you are looking, ideal situation you look for. So let's wait. Let's find, since we have the alarm on, let's find different setup. USD, JPY, it's a no. This is nice. This is nice as well, relatively nice. I prefer always to see a closer 20 to the 200. However, we have a flattish 200, a strong push to the downside. So I'll draw my line over here. I draw it manually. So this is my signal. If I see a strong bearish bar breaking out, I'll take, oops, we have an alarm. Let's see. Come on. My connection today is a disaster. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, it's fine. Okay, you have an alarm here as well. Let me refresh this thing. Okay, so let me draw rectangle over here. Nice. Set an alarm here. I saw something on the. Let me see where this is. USD ARS, that's it. This was the signal we got. It rejected, however. Let's wait and set another alarm here. We need a second break. That's it. I push it a little bit downwards. Okay. We had something on the Euro USD, I think. No. See, this is nice. This is going our way. If I see a strong push, I'll take a trade here. Can adjust the level since we have beautiful push. Come on, that's it. I'll take one. Okay, we have a setup here. We can adjust our zone. We already have an alarm. Beautiful. This is a potential setup forming here. Let me mark it. Smart zone. I'll also set an alarm. Very low payout. Remove it. Oof, that's beautiful here. Nice. I'll take this one as well. Okay. This is gonna be to the downside, so let's wait and see. Let's check on this one. Come on. This has more time. This is moving our way. If you have any questions, you can write them in the live chat box. Beautiful push. I'll take this one. If it crosses below the 20 moving average, I'll take it. I'll give it 6 minutes. Nice. It has momentum. However, I need to close below the 20. And to take out this powerful bar. If not, I won't. Okay, close below it. Come on, that's it. I'll take a sell here, 6 minutes. Okay, this is beautiful, somewhat. I think it will reject and go back down. So let's mark the zone. Oh, we already have a zone. So let's wait for a pullback. This is also beautiful. Let's mark it. Rectangle. Your swing high and swing low. It should include all the moving averages. It's pushing right now. Let's be a bit quick. I need a strong surge like this. Boom, I'll take the trade over here. Let's set the alarm as well. We lost our first entry, no problem. Let me see. First two actually. Okay, we have our setup here forming. Come on. That's it. Rejection, no trade. That's it. I'll take this one. 6 minutes. Should have taken it for 4, no problem. This is working fine. Beautiful drop. So we have two trades here running. This is very nice for a sell. Rectangle. You mark your zone, your swing high, swing low, and your moving averages. And we set an alarm over here. It's a bad day for trading, honestly. The markets are not moving. Lots of, choppy trade, pairs. Lots of wicks. I'll take a buy if it pushes from the. We have a signal here. Nice. Let's see. I need a close, strong close. I'll give it 4 minutes. Nope, that's it. Maybe the next candle, I set an alarm over here as well. We have beautiful. I'll take this one. Should have taken this for 6 minutes. However, so let's analyze why I took this trade. So you have your your 20 moving average and 200. The 20 and the 200, the 20 is above the 200, so most preferably you should take a buy setup, and then you get your beautiful engulfing bar closing above. Oh, it's a bigger bar than anything you see to your left side for the past 10 to 12 candles, and you take your buy. That's a beauty. This would be this is gonna be our last trade for this live session. We will come back later. We have a win over here. Nice, beautiful drop. That's a win. Let me see this one. It might be a winning trade, however, I don't like this gap. Also here a gap. We needed to keep on rejecting from here. Nice. Keep going. Let me see this one. Beautiful push. Come on. Okay. That's coming. Go on. Come on. Look at this. Okay. This is why I tell you to always, you know, um, we have. Okay. I'll take this. Let me see. I need a strong close below. before taking the trade. I need confirmation. So we'll wait until the end of approximately the last 30 seconds of the bar. If I don't see a clean close here, I won't take it. If you have any questions, please use the live chat. Beautiful. It's coming nice. Nice. That's it. That's a strong bearish bar. Come on. Beautiful. It's very powerful. I'll take it a bit sooner. 4 minutes. I saw an alarm on the JPP CAD thing. Let me see what's going on here. EuroCAD, we have an alarm as well. Beautiful. Let me see. Hold on. I need a strong close. We don't have a strong close. I'll set another alarm here. And one here as well. Okay, it's moving out. This is this is bullshit. I mean, come on. EuroCAD. We have something on the Euro USD. Yes, that's it. I'll take this one. 4 minutes. See? Strong surge from this narrow state. Boom, you get in. Was a bit early on this one. However, no issues. I need to teach you how to spot those setups. This is a complete. The markets today. Come on, yani. What should I say? This is a BS to say the least. We still have the surge here. I'll take 6 minutes. Two more on this one. Beautiful close. Two more. Okay, so let's end it for now. The Euro USD one is beautiful. I took 4 minutes on the first trade, 6 on the second. So I have a trade setup over here, three entries. Only do this if you have enough balance. Your three entries should be a total of 3% of your capital only. Beautiful push. Come on. This one was a shame. I usually avoid trading when I see that kind of a choppy pair, lots of huge wicks. I avoid it. However, I want to show you what are the best situations, what are the, mediocre situation, and what are the worst situation for trading. At least I'm not hiding anything. We've been trading live for the past month. All the sessions are there for you to watch on YouTube. We are in a winning situation most of the time. Come on. Okay, first one is a loss. We have 3 more minutes left. I think if this one closes with a long wick or long tail, we might win those two. Beautiful, yes. Keep pushing. If I get a strong close, if this beautiful, keep on going. If it keeps on going like this, we might expect push over here. That's nice. That's a very, very powerful bearish bar. We have something here also. Come on. I need a break. I need to break below this rejection zone. Beautiful. Come on. I'll take two on this as well. 6 minutes. It's a very violent candle. I'll take it before the 30 seconds. See, whenever you see something like this, it has a 92% chance of having a strong follow-up to the upside. This is doing perfect. If you see a very powerful, bar, don't wait for the last 30 seconds. I took it over here. It was very powerful, lots of momentum. So I took it earlier. So we have a safety margin over here. That's a shame on Euro USD. No problem. Since we are not trading our own money, this is for training purposes. This is gonna be a win, most probably. So this is the last trade for this session. If you have any questions, please use the live chat. Usually, when I trade with real money, I'm more careful. I select my setups carefully. I am easy on the entry points. If you want, you can watch our previous live streams. We've been winning all the way. Nice push. Come on, close. We need if we get a strong close here, we are safe. It's rejecting forward from this point. Let me see what's going on. Okay, so we have a demand area here. This is why we are seeing this rejection. Strong close, come on. Two minutes left. It's rejecting from this supply, from this resistance level. Hope it keeps on rejecting. Beautiful. Come on. The OTC market today is rubbish, to say the least. 1 minute left. We need a strong close here. Nice. Any breach below this level, we are okay. 40 seconds left. Perfect situation. However, these are gonna win. 15 seconds left. The momentum to the downside is strong. And here we go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.